Good morning. We are headed to White Sands National Park today.
But this is so cool. It's so big.
We are going to try to explore. Hopefully we'll have a better experience than the last time we were at a sands dune place with Dolly.
Dolly, come on. Come on.
We got a long ways to go, girl. You're gonna have to start walking at some point.
Dolly is not a fan of a big sand dune. She's a fan of little sand dunes, but not big ones.
This was also the first night that we were able to stay at BLM land, or just kind of like out in the middle of nowhere.
Oh.
We got our oatmeal, and Dolly's chilling in the passenger seat. Off to White Sands National Park we go. Check it out.
Woo! A kit box.
Wow. Okay, so something that we didn't do when we were at the Sand Dunes Park in Colorado was we did not have time to rent a sled to go down the sand dunes. And so we're not making that mistake this time. We're here with plenty of time, and we just picked up a sled so that way we can go down the sand dunes. Dolly, you wanna go down the sand dunes? She says, absolutely. We also have a trick for maybe preventing her from having a terrible time like she did last time.
Whoopsie.
We got some buffalo chicken strips that we're gonna make some chicken wraps out of, and it'll be very yummy. Very yummy.
Very delicious.
Okay, so step one of getting Dolly ready for the sand dunes is we are putting her booties on, her little boots, to hopefully prevent her from getting as much sand on her paws and everything. This sun is brutal. It's not necessarily super hot out right now, but the sun is so hot. Stay here, girl.
She's getting her booty zoomies.
We ready to go?
We are ready. It is quite toasty today.
It is warm.
Hopefully
Dolly's ready in her booties.
hopefully the breeze from the sledding will cool us down, but I kind of am doubtful.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, get it, Dolly.
Good girl.
I think I picked the better spot. So it's like so bright that I can barely see the screen on my camera to see if I'm like, have the right exposure, what zoom I'm at, like anything. But this is so cool. It's so big. It's a lot more flat than Colorado. Like it's not as...
Yeah, Great Sand Dunes was very hilly.
Yeah, the sand dunes, the big ones were like massive compared to these, which are probably like, 50 feet tall at the tallest probably. Whereas Great Sand Dunes was like 500 feet tall.
Yeah.
What are you
This is
doing?
what I should do. It's my sun umbrella.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Whenever there's a cloud that goes overhead, the temperature drops like 15 or 20 degrees. So the lady successfully upcharged me at the rental
We
place.
should have brought our snowboard wax. I think I took it out when we...
It's a different type of wax. Gotta get a good layer on there. Okay, it's sufficiently waxed now, but we've decided to go to a different dune. So let's head over there.
Whee! Ooh, yeah, that breeze feels good when you run.
I hear a plane. Is it about to fly over us? Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's a second one. There's two. One there, one there.
Whoa. Yeah, there's one way over there. There. Oh, there's another one. Right there. Those sound a lot closer than they actually are. Wild. So part of White Sands National Park is actually closed off right now because there was a reported Air Force mishap or something along those lines that basically blocked off probably like a mile square in the park that you can't go into. You can drive through it on the road, but you can only drive through, you can't stop on the side, you can't get out or anything like that. My theory is that surrounding the dunes the national park portion, there is a massive dunes park here, but it's used as a military missile training grounds. So like fire practice, you know, launch them at places and things like that. And my theory is that somebody accidentally messed up and dropped a bomb or a missile where they shouldn't have, and either it maybe didn't explode or something, I don't know. But that is my theory on why it's blocked off, is that somebody did an oopsie and dropped something where they shouldn't have. This is where we were going to go, but that is some steep dunage right there. So maybe we, yeah, maybe we don't do that one. That one's like almost straight down. Let's see if I can do this while holding on. So
The maiden voyage.
the lady said to sit down, kind of pull it up, and then you were good to go. Okay.
I think you might be too far from the edge.
Yeah.
Here we-
Oh,
Okay, here, come do it. Oh.
okay.
Want me to try?
Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I feel that we need a steeper.
Yeah, I think we have to do it on the front. Oh my goodness. There we go. Scoop to get up. Oh my gosh.
Okay, here we go. I'm scared.
You have to keep your kind of weight back so you don't dig into it.
Okay. Ow! Dang, that cut me.
It cut you?
Yeah, the handholds. Ellie. Hi, Milo. Hi, baby girl.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. She did not like that.
Oh, no.
She did it though.
Good job, Dolly.
Good job, Dolly. Come here, girl. It's okay, you can stay up here with me. Oh, I'm turning.
Oh, no. Poor placement of the bush.
We should have rented the sled and gone sledding in Colorado's sand dunes because they were a lot bigger. It wasn't as hot. Like, it is toasty today. Dolly's just such a good girl. Just sits here, just chilling, just waiting. Waiting for mom to come back. How are you doing?
Not well. I am not doing well.
You look like you're having like a heat stroke level of not doing well.
Feel bad. Very bad. Oh, that feels so good. So cold.
I think that may be the first time we have unironically used our shower. Check this out. This is what I want to do eventually. Alaska to Ushuaia, except they're doing in reverse, Ushuaia to Alaska. All right, so Melissa extremely overloaded in heat when we were out there. So we are gonna go back. We saw this random like pistachio land like storefront, and they had ice cream that's just a little bit ways back up the road. But we're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. They had this giant pistachio, like so random. What? Look at how big this thing is. It's huge.
Very tall. Now we're gonna get some ice cream. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a stress-tachio.
Look at the pillow.
Ooh, cinnamon. Oh, there's so many flavors. How fun is this? Yeah, the lemon lime is really good. Margarita lime.
The giant pistachio, and now pistachio ice cream.
This is such a random place. Like, There's a bunch of pistachio fields next to us.
Pistachio fields, but then they also have a vineyard here, and they sell and make their own wine. So we had to buy a bottle of wine while we're here.
We did a wine tasting.
And then we did a mini wine tasting. Heard all about the lady who did the wine tasting's life story about how her brother's an alcoholic, basically.
And how she lit an anthill on fire?
Lit an anthill in her front yard on fire using vodka. And how her teacher really hated her art style. It was quite the experience.
It was very odd.
Well, I got pistachio ice cream on my glasses. And now we are gonna head on, get on the road, start heading towards Arizona. That's right. I think we're gonna go to Saguaro National Park, go see some cactuses that are maybe as big as the giant pistachio. Who knows though? Anyways, on the road we go. So we just had like a kind of odd experience. We were driving on the interstate, or on the highway from New Mexico, and we're headed to Saguaro right now. And all of a sudden there was just like a border patrol checkpoint. And to the point where Melissa was like, are we at the Mexico border right now? And we literally just drove up. Every single person had to stop. Like they had it very clearly marked. Every single car has to stop. And so we pulled up. The guy came up to the window, didn't really say much of anything. I was just like, how's it going? And then he was just like, how many people are in the car? I was like, just us two. And he was like, are you both U.S. citizens? And I'm like, yes. He's like, okay, you're free to go. Drive on.
Check anything?
Didn't check anything. I could have completely lied. Like, I don't know. It was wild. Driving away and I'm like, you know, I think Dolly may actually be our get out of jail free card with a lot of these stops that we go, that we get stopped at. And it's because she's like constantly growling and barking as soon as she sees some stranger come up to the window. And to the point where she scratched me like pretty dang good. It's like, can't really see it very much right now, but she scratched me pretty good while we were at that checkpoint. And I think it's like people see her and they're just like, I don't have to deal with a dog right now. You're free to go. Keep going. Oh, the sun's poking out. So while Melissa is making dinner, check out this view. This is crazy right here. That sun is like barely poking out from the clouds over there. The orange glow